With this session, we are going to discuss about trends in modern periodic table, in which we include atomic radius and valency. Primarily, we're going to discuss about atomic radius and how the value of atomic radius of element get changed while we move across a period or down to group. So first, what is atomic radius? Atomic radius, which is also called atomic radii, it's represented by small r. It's the distance from the center of nucleus to the outermost cell of an atom. Like you can see here, this is center of nucleus and this is outermost cell. So here, the distance from center of nucleus to outermost cell is called atomic radius and which represented by small r. The value of atomic radius is very small. It's expressed in nanometer. 1 nanometer is equal to 10 to the power minus 9 meter. So you can imagine how small it is. Now we discuss about diameter. What is diameter? When two atoms get bind together, here center of nucleus of one atom to the center of nucleus of another atom, the distance between both of that, it's called diameter. Or also we can say the distance between two nuclei. This is called diameter, which is represented by small d. The value of diameter is just double of atomic radii. So we can say d equal to 2r. Now we discuss about how the atomic radii get changed while we move across a period. The value of atomic radius of element get decreased while we move across a period. Like this is a periodic table in which if we move left to right, atomic radius of element get decreased. And why it's happen? Because when we move across a period, only the number of electron get increased in same outermost cell. Number of cell will not increase. And once number of electron get increased in their outermost cell, the attraction between electron and nucleus of that element, it becomes strong because both electron and nucleus have opposite charge. Electron have negative charge and nucleus have positive charge because proton present there. And due to the opposite charge, these particles allow to attract each other. And if number of electron get increased while we move across a period, that attraction become more and more strong. And due to this reason, that electron move towards the nucleus and atomic structure size is become shrink as per we move across a period. Like you can see here, this is lithium. It has one electron in its outermost cell. And while we move across a period, next element will be beryllium. And it has two electrons in the outermost cell, 1 and 2. And if number of electron get increased, the attraction between electron and nucleus, it become more stronger as compared to lithium. Due to this reason, the atomic radius size of lithium is as compared to beryllium, it's bigger. Here lithium atomic radius size is 152 nanometer and beryllium, because the attraction becomes strong, its atomic radius size is little bit gets shrink as compared to lithium, and now the size of atomic radius of beryllium is become 112 nanometer. Why it's happened? Just because electron become more in number in the same outermost cell, and it allowed to generate a more strong attraction force between nucleus and electron, which not allowed to increase the size of atom of particular element, it allowed to decrease the size of element for particular atom. Why it's happened? Just because the electrons get added and it's allowed to shrink that atomic structure, and due to this reason atomic radius get decreased. Now next one, while we move across a group. In group, while we move top to down, atomic radius get increased. And why it's happen? While we move top to down in group, number of cells get increased and number of electron in the outermost cell it become constant. Like we are moving from hydrogen to lithium, lithium to sodium, then sodium to potassium. Like this, if we'll move, only one cell get added as per we move top to down in group. Like you can see here. Here you have lithium. It has two cells in their structure. Now, if you move next element to the lithium across a group, it's sodium. And now you can see in sodium atomic structure we have three cells. An outermost cell in lithium also have one electron and in sodium also have one electron. And if number of cell get increased, it means the distance from nucleus and the outermost cell it become increase. And attraction, how it's not become strong? Because number of electron in outermost cell, that value is not increase, it's constant. So this is the main reason behind while we move across a group from top to down, the atomic radius size get increased because number of cells as per we move down to group it become increase and number of electron present in their outermost cell is constant along to one group. Like if you consider first group, in first group all the element have one electron in their outermost cell, but number of cell is get increased as per we move top to down. So this is the reason while we move across a group from top to down, atomic radius get increased. With this note, we conclude this session. We'll see you in next session.